36 record. We'll see how you lead. The third baseman lead things off. Akil Baddoo, the left fielder, bats second. Batting third, the first baseman, Justin Henry Malloy. Chase Young, the second baseman, bats fourth. Batting fifth, the DH, Andy Ibanez. Batting sixth, it's the center fielder, Tomas Nido. As a first pitch ball, and then a second offering is chopped foul up the third baseline from John last year. And the 1-1 from Cannon. And he'll miss outside with a sweeper. Goes into the motion. Line shot right up the middle to Baldwin, who had him played absolutely perfectly. Tom, the shift is, when it's right, man, it's right.
Yeah, I'm not sure that was much of a shift, just playing right-hand hitter, just a shade a little bit. But he hit that ball hard.
Colson Montgomery swings to the first pitch, pops one up. Shallow left field. This could be trouble, and it goes off of Lee, and it will land. The Knights will take the lead, as it'll be a hit for Montgomery. You would figure. We'll see how they score it. Yeah, they are going to call that a base hit to left field. It'll be an RBI single for Montgomery. Ramos comes in to score to make it 1-0. Baldwin all the way over to third.
I think if you ask Hao-Yu Lee, he would probably say he should have had that.
Yeah, it's tough to do that back where the ball's over your head.
Yeah, it's
Hao-Yu Lee will come to the plate again. Hao-Yu Lee lined out sharply to the second baseman his first time up. Pitch is off. And the next offering, chopper. And the 1-1, that's low and outside. Sacramento. Even though they're not called the Sacramento Athletics, they're just called the...
Yeah.
3-1, popped up. Traveling into foul ground, and it will reach the seat.
Yeah, I know they are.
3-2 pitch. That one hit high in the air down the right field line, and it's foul. Alvin, you know you've gotten everything on it, and it's caught. 3-2 pitch. Chopper right in front of the plate. Right back to the mound it goes. Cannon fires over to first in time. And how you...
As a hitter, you know, I mean, if it drops, even if he drops it, it's a strike, but there's just nothing good about a foul pop-up.
And there's two quick outs. I'm sure Tomas Nido hated every second of that one, too.
I bet he did.
As it goes outside and make it 2-0. Sets on the mound, and he's ready. Fires up Hao-Yu Lee. 0 for 2 with a liner and a ground out, and he walks. Mudheads will get a 2-out base runner here in the fifth. They trail it 1-0. I got to tell you, I was down here for BP, and I was watching the amount of baseballs that were hit out of the park today. We're going to see another arm for Charlotte. It's their 6th of the game, and it's native of Fort Wayne, Indiana, and he's a Midwest, and he's in a 1-1 count with Hao-Yu Lee. Pitch is a chopper, first base side, goes off the glove of Elko into right field, and Hao-Yu Lee, second time he's reached, as it'll be a single to right. He also has walked tonight.
Just the start we needed.
And that'll bring up Akil Baddoo. Mudhens trailing at 1-0. Boy, you're at that point of the game. Boy, a 2-run shot here would just be outstanding, wouldn't it? And it's a shot down the left field line. Fair! Into the corner it goes. Heading to second is Baddoo. Into third is Lee. Second and third, nobody out here in the bottom of the 8th inning. Shane Lee ready. He'll deliver. Grounder, third base side. Stopped by Ramos. This will tie the game. The throw over to first is in time. It's an RBI ground out for Malloy. We're knotted up at 1.
Yeah, tough pitch. I'm pretty sure it was a changeup. Got him out front. He hit it hard. Thought it might find that 5-6 hole, but Ramos made a pretty good play on it.
Yeah, that's a short hop stop. That's a pretty good play. And Lee scored. Here things get really interesting, even if it's not a homer. And the pitch to Hao-Yu Lee is low, ball one. And the pitch to Lee is up and away. Make it. See if he does. 2-0. He does, and it's a grounder over to third, deep in the hole at short. Long throw, pulled Montgomery out, or pulled Elko off the bag. 1 run will score. Over to third goes Nito, and it's a 3-2 ball game. Elko somehow got a glove on it. If he's not 6'4", he can't get an arm on that. Montgomery had to go way back to get it. Well, Workman scored on the. A 3-0 to Baddoo. He takes upstairs, ball 4. 3-1. Way outside, we're tied at 3.
How to throw a strike.
Young waits on the 3-2. There's 2 down. We've tied the game here in the 9th. And the pitch way outside, ball 4. A walk-off walk tonight for Jace Young and the Mud Hens as they score 3 in the 9th to win it 4-3.
Great job by the hitters in the bottom of the 9th. Great job. Patient, coupled with a hit, couple hits.
They did what they needed to do in the 9th inning. It started with 2 outs, remember.